Okay, so let's take a look at how you can connect Zoho Mail with Trello board and how to update one of the card within that board. So I already have Trello account ready, and there is this board called Automate, right? And finally, there is one of the card that I will archive, which you have to check with Zoho Mail for any new update. So what I will do is I will go to apps and make sure to add this Trello as well as Zoho Mail. As you can see, I already have added Trello and there is also Zoho Mail. Right, you can search for those through typing Zoho, and there is also Trello. These two things are there, right? Once you added that, go to dashboard, use either AI prompt or you can manually create this app, right? So basically I will say when email arrives in Zoho Mail, update it in Trello board card, right? Generate this app and it will show you one of the ready to use trigger based app. So here you see sync Zoho Mail with Trello. So we'll try this. Now even they have given one of the step as update the card. So first thing, connecting to Zoho Mail, we'll connect that. If you haven't already, then click continue. Now we choose folder name, which is inbox. Then we choose group result, can do so. Then account details, you will have to point to the mail account, right? Then click continue. Click test trigger. Right, once you do that, you can see that we have to choose one of the email formats and click continue to select record. Then you have to check the Trello, choose update card or add card, either way should work, right? So create new card on specific board and list, click continue. Again click continue, where we have to check for board automate. Then we point out the sender name, right, which is going to be our name, and in description we have subject. These two things we will use, rest we will keep as is, right? Then we'll check what is required field here. I think I have missed something. So 1 2, okay, so I have to also check the list, which is Zapier, right? Once we do that, I will have to give it label, pick anything, be it, let's say, blue or something, want to, then we'll just ignore the rest. Click continue and then test it. If the status is okay, we are good to go, and it should appear here. Now publish this. Let's see if it allows you to see the new update. Zap is published. Now I can go to Trello, and here you can see the card is added, which is Cora Digest, one of the email that we send for the card. So if you click on it, it will have two things. One is the email sender and the description, right? So you get the idea here how to connect Zoho Mail with Trello board using Zapier.